to a main man. All the little things that made you. You can count the ways that I stay down. Can't nobody tell me I ain't true. Take a little time from the wild out. You can slow the time down, me, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. Don't mind me talking, and the voice probably not gonna match the way my mouth is moving, because the video was supposed to be a chit chat. Get ready with me. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of life update and just talk about anything, but my neighbors would not let me do it because they were playing a really loud music, and I was kind of scared that it will affect the audio of the video. So I just kind of changed my mind mid recording the video. But I'm probably gonna play a really chill song in the background while you guys watch me do my makeup. So this is just what I do every day. Like I barely wear makeup, but when I do, this is just how I apply it. This is my everyday makeup look. I wanted to go with you will see in the video that I wanted to go with a red lipstick, but I don't know why I was just not feeling it. So I end up changing my mind and just went with nude color, and I played with eyeshadow. So that's something. Yeah, I didn't just do a nude eyeshadow. I actually played with some colors. You guys will see all of that by the end of the makeup portion of the video, and I'm gonna give you guys details about the hair that I'm wearing today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys I will talk to you guys in a bit.
Holding me, choose your wise, or the world break up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, my favorite smile. Still wanna try, still believing. Good days, always ugly inside. Good at living in my mind. Sunny inside is good at living in my mind. Tell me I'm not my fears, my limitations are disappeared. If you let me, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Got it on my cross to bear alone now. Ooh, play the devil way to kill the mood. Know you like that shit, can't groove it, I'll lose it, baby. I'm tryna be a nuisance, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of loose change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go, away, Kinky was holding me. Choose your wise, or the world break up in front of me. All the while, all the way my arm, my favorite smile. Still wanna try, still believing. Good days, always lonely inside. Good at living in my mind. Lonely inside is good at living in my mind. inside, still hang around, even though you cap. I can pretend my main nigga, but you look just how that feel. I'm on my way around, I'm pocket neatly vision. Can't trust decision when you near me, get my caught in your crossfire. You are one, and I'm waiting in you like it's cool. I did like it's cool when you put a boot down when I know when it's not me. All that I know is mirrors inside me, they recognize.
So guys, my makeup is all done, and now we're just gonna move on to the hair. I haven't seen the hair yet. It's provided by Vivi BABI on Amazon, and I can't wait to see how it looks. I think it's a kinky curly hair, but I'm gonna open it and just try it on with you guys. It is like straight from the box. I haven't seen it yet. Oh wow, hello headbands. I have like 3 different headbands. That's what it comes with. And it comes with a wig cap. And that's the information about them. It's so soft. It has a little bit of smell. I'm not a fan of, but the hair looks super soft. I am happy about that. Okay, the hair is, I think it's a Brazilian kinky curly hair, and the density is 180 and it's in 22 inches. That's pretty good for a 22-inch hair. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. The band is a little bit too big for me. It's kind of loose, but I'm gonna have. This is straight out from the box. It feels soft. I like that. It feels really, really soft. Maybe I should lay my edges. I think I have a little bit of hair. Let me try it. I barely have any hair, but it looks like my hair grew overnight. My hair grew overnight. It comes with 3 headbands. This is an animal print, and this is like a flower. There's a flower too. I think I'm gonna try the white one. Okay, so guys, this is the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the the clothing, because it's a 3-in-1. So don't forget to check out Vivi BABI hair on Amazon. I'm gonna put the links all down below for you guys to check them out. This hair is so soft. It looks so natural on me. Like my hair grew overnight or whatever. I'm annoying, but I love this hair. This gonna be my new everyday hair. Like when I'm going to work, this is what I'm gonna wear. People gonna be like, "Did your hair, girl?" No, they're not. But it's cute. Like I love it. I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and dress up and come back. So guys, here's the outfit portion of the video. This outfit was everything. Like, look at the top. It's so cute. The top is from Lovely Wholesale and the jeans are from Fashion Nova, and the back is from Shein, and I had some black heels. It didn't show because the angle of the video, but it was cute. The outfit was very cute. And don't forget to check out Vivi BABI hair on Amazon. I'll put all the links down below for you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.